In this tutorial, we will be learning about the system settings in Ubuntu 12. To go to system settings, we'll select this system settings from here. And as you can see, there is a very little nice categorized settings. First is for appearance, which we have seen in one of the previous tutorials. So we will go back to all settings. Then it is brightness and lock. Turn screen off when inactive. So this is the turn off screen, which saves a lot of power. Currently it is set to 10 minutes. You can set it as you want to. You can actually turn on and off the lock. Next is keyboard layout. Right now only English language pack is installed. You can download and install another language packs to support your local keyboard. Language support. When you click on that, it will search for all the language details and it will get some regional formats as well. Online accounts. You can manage your Facebook, Flickr, Google, Twitter, Yahoo, MSN, all these online accounts within this place. Your privacy. You can set these settings placed in different tabs over here. Ubuntu One settings. It requires the internet connection first. So I'll recommend you to go ahead and check it once. Some hardware settings like for Bluetooth, for color, for displays, for keyboard, mouse and touchpad, your network settings, power settings, printer, sound and other graphic tablet settings, settings for backup, system details such as what is the memory, processor, the default applications, removable medias and graphics, management services, software sources, date and time, universal access and user accounts. So these are the system settings and I'll recommend you to go ahead and set them according to your exact requirements. Thank you.